What's up, everybody? Danny Crafts here, and welcome to another episode of Crafting with Daniel. On today's episode, we're actually going to be doing this diamond art kit thing.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So at the beginning of the pandemic, I got really into paint by numbers and making my own paint by numbers. So a few companies have reached out to me, and today I'm partnering with Craft Ease, which is a company that offers paint by numbers kits and these diamond art kits, which is like paint by numbers but 3D, three-dimensional. I have no idea. But I partnered with them and they sent me this diamond art kit, so I'm going to take it out and give it a whirl. So this is the Craft Ease Diamond Art Kit. This is a great activity if you are struggling to find things to do and you are kind of tired of paint by numbers. You can get a little crafty, level up, some might say, and try this out. So in here we have a canvas, color diamond, a tray, 2 applicators, tweezers, and applicators gums. Now I did open it up here just to see what we're working with. The art is created by independent artists, so your money is not going to a big box store. So I said, you know what? I am an independent artist, I think. So let's just give it a try. So the piece of art I will be trying today is this owl. Knock knock. Oh no, sorry. I hate knock knock jokes, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie there. But yeah, so this is an owl. This is the canvas, and it's covered with this little plastic film here. And it's sticky. So don't take that. I've never done this before, but we're not gonna take it off. There doesn't seem to be any instructions, but I'm a smart guy. I went to college, I went to university, so we're gonna figure this out. There's a little guide here, schematic color list on the side. And so all the little symbols on the mat correspond with those things. Okay, this is one of the applicator things, but they have a few different applicator tips. So if you can see here, that one is like a different tip. This is also a different tip, and then like a different tip there. So whatever tip you prefer, that's the tip you will use. Okay, so those are tips. This is the little applicator thing that came with it. Pretty cool. Has like some curves in it, so it feels good in the hand. It comes with these standard applicator things in the kit with these little like grip things that really remind me of like school, elementary school. So that's fun. So those are great. I'm gonna stick with the this one that they sent over, which looks a little bit more fancy. Okay, so if you've never used this diamond kit before, or any sort of diamond kit, there's this like gum here, which isn't for eating, but I did Google it, and apparently you like take the applicator tip and you get some of the gum into the tip there. I never thought I'd say tip so much in one video, but I think that's what helps you pick up the dots. So I put it on both sides, and you have 2 of these. So I think that'll last you a while. So that's the tips. Those are the gums. Here's the little tray, which I haven't used yet, but I think will be necessary because there are a ton of beads. So many beads. Beads, and tips. Okay, so it's a ton of beads. Oh, they have some shiny ones. These look super small. It's probably gonna take me a while to do this. Not freaking out. Not gonna freak out. Not gonna freak out. There's nothing to freak out about. So if I look here, they have this little like square with a thing in it, and I look and that says it's number 15. If I match the thing with the thing. So all these bags are labeled, so you just grab the one that says 15. Okay, you know what? No, we're gonna start with a different one. I'm gonna start with the one at the end of the pack, the one labeled 24, which is an S. Oh, yeah, this one's more I think, beginner entry level. So just pour those in there. I would not recommend this activity for children because these things are very small. So I think the age is 5 and up. But got your little beads in a, sorry, my white balance is not gonna show them, but there are white beads in here, okay? So I'm just gonna peel the sheet back enough. Oh, is that satisfying? With my little applicator tip, you can pick up the bead. Oh, that's rad. And you just put it on. Okay, not gonna lie, I was a little like skeptical of this whole diamond thing before because I'd seen some of these videos online and I was like, oh, that looks super easy. But this looks like it could take a while. So if you actually, no, I don't think I'm experienced enough to use the wide tip yet. So I'm just gonna stick with my little tip. That is really fun and really satisfying, and I think once it's all done, this would be a really great craft. Wow, one section's already done. Can you tell? Thumbnail photo. Okay, so I'm going to maybe stop filming and fill this out as best I can. Not thinking I will finish it all in one sitting. Maybe put on a nice show. Put on a nice show in the background and just relax. But anyway, so this is the Craft Ease Diamond Art Kit. Available online. I will put that link in the description below. So thank you all so much for watching. Let me know if you liked today's video by liking, commenting, or subscribing, as that always helps me out on my channel. And if you are a fan of diamond art kits, let me know, because I'm just getting into this and this is very new for me. But thank you again. We'll see you next time. Stay crafty and trim your wicks. Bye, everybody.